Okay, I'm in Western Kenya. I'm looking for different birds that haven't been seen in Kenya for a while, and Busia is always a nice place to do bird watching.
Welcome to Aderema Hills. This is a spectacular series of hills that are sloping all the way from the foot of Kenya's second highest peak, Mount Elgon. It's here where the Iteso culture meets the beautiful part of nature.
Imagine a place where you can live a cultural experience, a place where nature's tranquility meets the Iteso community. It is no secret that wildlife is disappearing at an alarming rate, and the threat of climate catastrophe is a constant worry. We live in a time of ecological and climate emergency. However, there is still hope for us to fight back against these twin emergencies, but we must act now. Our main aim is to bring back nature everywhere, including in the places where people live. Can you help put nature into recovery today? Olwoko Signature, as a responsible travel company, together with the Iteso community that lives in the Aderema Hills in Busia County, Kenya, are trying to raise $37,000 to help at least 20% of our beautiful landscapes at the Aderema Hills to remain protected for biodiversity's recovery. We want to accelerate our conservation work through sustainable travel. This will help us ensure that the Aderema Hills rare bird species, primates, trees, and bushes thrive well by connecting and restoring beautiful wild places that store carbon and help tackle the climate crisis too. Can there be another way? Olwoko Signature is reaching out to you. So we help offer alternative sources of livelihood to this beautiful yet vulnerable community, and to protect the beautiful hills of Aderema. People just like you are taking positive action to make a difference for local wildlife. If 1 in 4 people started to do this, we'd reach a tipping point in favor of nature's recovery.